What's going on, YouTube? Crypto business with another video. Today we're going to talk about the crash, the bubble popping. Everyone's freaking out. I kind of wanted to just bring some light to this situation and give you my thoughts on why everything is crashing. I think some of it is panic selling due to a couple triggers, right? If we look at Ripple, for example, a lot of people remember Ripple being at $3.80, and we'll go to the chart. And I know a lot of you have said use TradingView, but it won't work for this video, so I'm gonna use Coinmarketcap. So what is this? January 4th was at 381, and then the 7th yesterday 347, and then boom, we have this big drop. So there was a bunch of news today that came out about how Coinmarketcap will no longer be supporting the Korean exchanges. So if we go to markets, we can see BitHum. This is a Korean BitHum, called it BitHum. This is BitHum, and this is a Korean exchange with massive volume, right? A lot of these, whoever is using this Korean exchange, they're pumping this price up. They have 30.77% of the volume, and the price is at $3.73. Same with this one. I believe this is a Korean exchange. Same with this one. If you look at Bitfinex, the price is clearly at $2.41, which makes total sense, right? That's the average. That's the price. If you go down here, you can see that this means that the price got excluded. So these little stars next to the price means that it's excluded. So what this means is as of today, I guess the Coinmarketcap website has excluded these overpumped exchanges. So what that means is if this volume is at 30.77%, that means a large portion of the trading volume is coming from this one exchange. And if that's the case and the price is rising really high, then the price on CoinMarketCap will rise really high. So it'll go up to $3. It'll average out somewhere in the $3 range, which is what we saw yesterday. So it was somewhere in here, $3.30 somewhere it was averaging out. Now, when they decided to delist them, and I don't know for sure if it's CoinMarketCap who just said, we're going to delist these Korean exchanges, or if it's some sort of API issue on those Korean exchanges that aren't feeding the data correctly to CoinMarketCap. I'd have to do a little more research on that. But when they did delist them, or they got delisted, boom, we saw a huge drop back to the norm. So if you were to be on Binance right now, you would see the XRP to BTC is at $2.39. And if you've been trading on Binance for Ripple recently, you were never going to get this price. You were never going to get $3.73 because that wasn't the going market rate on Binance. All of these exchanges are different. You're not going to get the same price on every exchange. So that's basically what happened. And the same sort of thing happened even with Bitcoin. If you look at this is kind of crazy. So you saw a bit of a pullback in Bitcoin over the past couple days or a day or so. And it's pulled back here pretty severely, I guess. If you go to the markets, the same thing happened with BitHum, wherever it is. Here it is. So $22,000 for one Bitcoin. As you can see everywhere else, luckily there's a lot of volume everywhere else. This isn't a majority of the volume by any means, 1.34%, but it's still trading at a very high premium over in Korea. So I don't know, like I said, if Coinbase decided let's get these off of here because it's artificially inflating our prices on our charts. But you can see these stars, clearly they're outliers. If you're buying on Corbit, then you're buying a Bitcoin for 23,000. So I mean, you're getting a highly inflated rate. And when you are buying these coins, you should be looking at where can I get the best rate? And in this case, maybe it's here at OXEX. I don't even know what that is, but maybe that's the best rate at the going minute. So a couple of these other coins too, I noticed EOS had dropped a ton. They dropped 21% today. But let's remember, this is a big sell-off. It looks like, oh my God, everyone just got cold feet. It's gone. The price is down. oh no, it's a big deal. Well, we go back to the markets. Look who's number one. 45% volume, and they were trading at $13.93. So it just got excluded. It's no big deal. If you're trading on Binance, you will not have noticed this sell-off. And so my thing is, what I think happened is when people saw Coinmarketcap or these other websites that are displaying this massive sell-off, then they probably went onto their Binance accounts or their Coinbase or whatever it was with Bitcoin, and they just panic sold. Oh, the market's dropping, it's over. But really, if you're looking at the data, you're not going to be misled by this issue. So it's not a big deal. No one lost any money, really, except the people who are buying at this price, right? But they're buying at a way overinflated rate, and it is what it is for them. But another thing that I want to touch on was Bitcoin. There was some news today that China may be banning mining in their country. So that's something to think about. And I think there was probably some panic selling on the Bitcoin front today due to that news that came out. You can see it hit some peaks, 17,600, whatever. And maybe this was when the exchanges delisted. Not really sure. It's harder to tell with Bitcoin because there's, as you can see, there's so much volume spread out all over the place. The highest Korean market for Bitcoin is only 1.34%, so it's a lot harder to see in the chart. But the mining thing, that could have been playing a role today. I really wouldn't worry about it. The same thing happened with China trying to ban the ICOs, and they did, and everybody panic sold, and they said, oh, the ICO game is over. Well, look what's happening right now. The ICO game is hot as ever. And I'm going to go over a video with my top picks for, small market cap coins that have already ICO'd. And then I'm going to get into a few ICOs that I think could pay off. But, you never know, especially in the ICO game. You really got to be careful. But with that, just remember, this is just my opinions. I am no expert, so this is just my thoughts on what happened. And it seems to be correct with the research I've done, but who knows? There could be the crypto world is crazy. There's a lot of stuff going on. But with that, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you thought this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. So I'll catch you later.